Today I'm going to teach you how to add and filter categories in Outlook. This is a fantastic way to organize your inbox and quickly locate emails based on specific topics or projects, making your email management far more efficient. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails into the interface, giving you access to everything you need to begin organizing. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have a large number of emails, as this ensures all your messages are properly synced and ready to work with. Once your emails have loaded, you'll need to navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails are stored. This is typically the default view when you open Outlook, but if you're in a different folder, simply click on Inbox from the left sidebar to get there. The Inbox pane is your main workspace for managing incoming messages and applying organizational tools like categories. Now, from your inbox pane, the process of adding and filtering categories in Outlook is quite straightforward, so let's walk through it step by step. Start by selecting an email from your inbox that you want to categorize. Simply click on it once to highlight it. Then direct your attention to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Within this tab, you'll see a section called Tags. This is where the Categorize option lives. Click on the Categorize dropdown, and you'll see a list of choices to categorize your emails. These categories come with different colors and names, making it easy to visually distinguish between different types of messages. You can select any of these preset categories or even create your own custom ones to suit your specific needs. Now that you've applied categories to your emails, the next step is to filter them so you can view messages by category. This is incredibly useful when you want to focus on emails related to a particular project or topic without scrolling through your entire inbox. To do this, simply look at the top part of your email list. You'll notice a filter dropdown, which is set to by date by default. Click on this dropdown, and from the menu that appears, select Categories. Once you do this, your emails will automatically be filtered and grouped by their different categories. This makes it easy to see all emails within a specific category at a glance, streamlining your workflow and helping you stay organized. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and filter categories in Outlook, giving you much better control over how your emails are organized and accessed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.